What's up guys, Ryan with the MXG channel on AOMC back again. Today I'm showing you this 2023 Husky FC350. Doing it inside today, hoping that background noise isn't too much because it just started raining outside. So this is the new generation, guys. This is the new Huskies. FC is equivalent to the KTM SX, or the Husky FX off-road is equivalent to the KTM XCF. These things are pretty sweet looking for 2023. They did the gray high-vis rear fender. I kind of wish they went with the gray front fender, but what can you do? They probably thought that would look funny with a white number plate, and they needed to keep the white number plate. Yeah, guys, these Huskies got all the new goodies, the new additions that the KTM did. And if you're not familiar with those for any reason, it's a whole new bike. The only things that really fit from the old bike are the front wheel and like the handlebars, maybe the handlebar mounts. Besides that, this is a completely new machine. Some cool facts: this is the same chassis as a 250 and a 450. So you know, the 350 shares 99% of its components with the 250, and now it shares the chassis and everything with the 450 as well, which is pretty cool. Even the motor mounts are the same location, so you could literally take this 350 motor out, put a 450 on it, which has historically been a completely different setup, and it would work fine, which is really cool. Probably also cuts down on manufacturing costs. But some of the stuff, besides a new engine, new chassis and everything, some of the little quirks we got for 2023 models are the new map switch, the new quick shift. It's got traction control. We've got a start and stop button integrated into the same switch to save handlebar space. For some reason you're not familiar with the traction control on these bikes, it's basically a sensor down here on the shift lever, and when you start to shift, if you have traction control on, it's going to hesitate the engine for just a nanosecond to let the bike more easily shift into gear. It's really cool. I've got some videos up you guys can check out, but I come out of a 180 turn, hold it wide open in second at full lock, don't touch the clutch, and just shift up to second, shift up to third, shift up to fourth, and it just burps it. I mean, quicker than you could quicker than you could let off the throttle and get back on it. It's really cool, guys. Loving the tech. We've seen those on street bikes and adventure bikes and stuff, but we haven't seen one in the motocross world yet, so very cool. New hour meter with integrated FI light right there for 2023, which is pretty cool. The shock is updated for 2023. It's shorter. It also has, it's all hand adjustable. So on the Husky, to get to the adjustments of the shock, you have to pull this panel off. There is a clip back here. There's a like a grommet here, and you have to slide it forward, and here you can access your shock. You've got high speed, low speed compression adjustments there. You've got rebound adjustment down there. Pretty cool. The forks are updated for 2023, but they're, for all intents and purposes, the same WP exact we've seen for the last few years, which are fantastic forks, especially for motocross. I love them. Good right out of the box. We've got the updated radiator cap. Something I got to talk about, guys. KTM has been marketing this as a grab handle, and this is basically part of the new subframe, which is the big difference between the Huskies and KTMs in the past were the subframes. The Huskies were carbon composite, the KTMs were all aluminum. The Huskies got some bad rap for braking, so now, dang, just thundered outside. So now the new subframes are the same on both bikes, pretty much. They are a different part number, but they're the same design. A carbon composite top, like a composite top with aluminum legs. However, the big difference is on the KTMs, this hole right here is open. Air goes right into the air box. Let me see if I can show you over here on this KTM. Yeah, see, you can see all the way through. It's completely open, but on the Husky, it's closed. So KTM's been marketing this as a grab handle, and on Husky they go even further by putting grab here. Guys, don't listen to this. This is garbage advice. These are horrible grab handles. On the KTM, the angle where it's like concaved up, your hand just slips right off. On the Husky, because there's a hole here, you can only get your fingertips right there. It's a horrible spot to grab the bike from. It gives you horrible leverage, and I'm disappointed in Husky for even putting that there. When you put a bike on a stand, this rear fender is thick, strong, and sturdy, guys. To get the most leverage, you're gonna put your hand right here and lift with your hip here. This is just a horrible, awkward grab handle right here. So I think that is probably just kind of how the design of the airbox came out, and somebody at KTM thought, well, we'll mark it as a grab handle. Look, we gave you guys a grab handle, and I don't know, I don't like it. But yeah, guys, these things are absolutely sweet. If I could make one change, it would probably be the frame color. They have a metallic blue for this year. You can really see it when you get it into the sun. The only issue is with this bike being gray and white, if the frame was black, you could do any color scheme you wanted on these things. But with the frame being blue, you're really limited as to what you can do. And I know Husky does not want to go away from the Swedish roots. That's why they keep the blue. But man, if they do some blue in the plastic or something and leave the frame black, so that, you know, we could make the bikes gray, or we could make the bikes a desert tan or something like that, with so many cool color options. The blue frame kind of boxes you in a little bit. But yeah, guys, these bikes are sweet. I've went over a lot of the details in tons of other videos, but I wanted to show you what one kind of looks like up close and personal. So if you guys are looking for a Husky FC350 or FC250, we have them in stock here at AOMC. Just call AOMC, ask for John in sales, tell him you saw this video, and he will get you absolutely hooked up. So thanks so much, guys, and if you want to support this channel, buy your parts from AOMC down below, hit the subscribe and like button. I'll see you in the next one.